Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Car Question. There's a special video for you this week. Usually this guy is behind the camera, but right now he's facing it. Ali, how are you doing, man?
Good, and you?
Yes, pretty good. You know, your driving skill are not really that great, so that's why we sent this guy to a driving lessons, a driving course, but there's a special feature about it. You know, we're in Quebec City, and I guess you had some winter fun?
Yes, that's it. It was a winter lesson, winter driving lessons.
Yeah.
And we were invited by Turo to attend this lessons that was given by Marie-Laurence Paquin.
It's a girl here in Quebec City that do a lot of professional driving, and I think you really could use a lot of her skills. So let's go check that out this week at Car Question. Okay, what happened to the snow, Oli? Where was it?
I don't know, Matt. It just disappeared the day before we arrived.
But remember, guys, even if there's no snow out there, the temperature change might affect your vehicle out there. But Oli, tell me about a few tricks that you learned during that winter driving course.
One that is really important is choose the greatest tire that you can get on the market. I mean, pay less for a car and pay more for a tire. That's what is important, because you have like this big
surface
contact that your tire is going to put on the ground. And it's the only contact that you have with the ground. So
yeah, and it's really important, guys. I always tell you, when you're gonna buy your car, sometimes you look at the money that you have. Oh, I've got $400 per month, so you get the bigger vehicle that you can, but you don't have any money left for the maintenance, for proper tires, alignment, you know, to really do a great job of maintaining your car at perfect health during a long time. So great tires, studded tire, we talked about that. It's really important when you're gonna face winter and icy situation.
So another trick, maybe know your car, know its limits, how it will react on different ground, and that's probably one great and the greatest trick.
Yeah. Know your car, because back in my old days, this guy's young, but I'm kind of a little bit older though. But back in my days, there was no ABS, no traction control, no stability system, no computer trying to keep you on the road. And today the kids are starting to learn with all the feature, but you know, sometimes they turn themselves off in the winter. They turn themselves off because the sensor is full, it's jam-packed, and the kids just go around and say, oh, what's happening? Oh, the car's reacting differently. You have to know your car. Front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, that's different.
Yeah, it's all different, and it's all going to react differently. If you're losing the front, if you're losing the back, and you're driving. So you must know how to just get it back and drive, I don't know.
Know the limits.
Know the limits, yeah.
Know the limits of that car. And if you change car during the summer, man, go practice yourself in a parking lot or take this kind of course, because your car will have changed completely different reaction when you're gonna face some harsh weather. Next trick, Ollie.
Look far away. I mean, you have to see what's going in front of you, and you have to see what's going to happen.
Yeah.
I mean, if there's an accident, if there's a car that loses a tire, I don't know. So just look in front of you and look the further you can. And even when you're going around a corner, I mean, you look at the end of the corner. That's really important.
You look where you want to go, and that's an excellent trick. Remember, the faster you're gonna go, the smaller your field of vision is gonna get. And that's the thing that you've got to fight. But remember, lower your speed when you've got some winter situation, and always anticipate the worst. You've got a 4-stop corner, anticipate that the car who's coming on your right will go boom right toward that intersection without stopping. So anticipate, and once again, look everywhere. And don't be, disturbed by all those technology features. These guys with their cellular, their Apple CarPlay, their Android Auto, always looking elsewhere.
And when you're looking elsewhere, you're going elsewhere.
Yeah, that's a good point. Remember guys, winter can be unpredictable, and a winter driving course is, I think it's a must for everybody. At least do that once in 2 years, 3 years, but the more you can do it, the more practice you're gonna get and the better you're gonna be, huh?
Exactly. So we learn how to drive during the winter, and that's mostly what we don't see during other lessons, that when you're going and take your license for the first time, you don't know how to drive and how your car will react. And that's a good thing, because you bring your car, you know your limits of yourself and the car and how it will react on different ground, if it's snow, ice.
And even if there's tarmac at this event without any snow, when the temperature gets lower, tire will react differently. If you got some studded tire, that's the same thing. And once again, practice will make you better, just like this guy.
Yeah, I think so. I think I'm better now.
That's what we're gonna see later, probably during the year, when we're gonna do some test drive of the vehicle out there. Ali, thank you, man.
Thank you, Matt.
So guys, if you got any question, feel free to comment in the section down there below. Don't forget to do the thumbs up, and remember, we are CarQuestion, and you're gonna have another video soon. Take care.